Welcome to the latest crypto market update. Bitcoin has experienced a significant move, first testing all-time highs and then settling at a crucial level. We're diving into the recent volatility that saw Bitcoin aggressively test the $74,000 mark before pulling back. What does this mean for the market going forward? The past few days have been a whirlwind for Bitcoin. We saw a powerful rally followed by a necessary correction, characteristic of a volatile market. The attempted push to $74,000 was a massive event, placing Bitcoin squarely near its all-time high resistance level. This aggressive upward movement was fueled by strong momentum and investor confidence, suggesting a potential breakout above previous highs. During the rally, market sentiment was extremely bullish. Traders were watching closely, anticipating a definitive new all-time high. However, after meeting stiff resistance at $74,000, Bitcoin began its retreat. This pullback is a critical phase in evaluating market strength. The main reasons for the pullback likely include aggressive profit-taking at peak resistance levels, combined with selling pressure from short-term traders. The decline was swift, confirming the intensity of the resistance encountered at $74,000 and demonstrating the market's current volatility. Crucially, Bitcoin found solid support and settled above the $70,000 threshold after the retreat. The $70,000 level is highly significant, acting as both a strong psychological support level and a critical technical floor for the current cycle. Bitcoin is currently stabilizing and consolidating. This sideways action above $70,000 is key for building a base for the next potential leg up. Let's discuss what this price action means for the broader market and traders. In the short term, we should expect continued volatility as the market digests the recent gains and pullback. Caution is advised for short-term trades. Despite the retreat, the overall long-term trend remains bullish, supported by strong fundamentals and institutional interest. To wrap up our analysis, let's summarize the key takeaways from Bitcoin's latest movements. Bitcoin tested $74,000, saw a healthy correction due to profit-taking, and successfully established $70,000 as crucial support. Don't miss out on future market breakdowns and crypto insights. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.